giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
Experience true protection when you need it most. Digital keypad and backup mechanical key offer additional entry methods. AC and battery power ensure safe and effective gun storage 24/7. Exceeds ASTM international safety standards for child and pry resistance. This Hornady safe is made from a 14-gauge steel, comes with a heavy-duty 1500 lb steel lockdown security cable that attaches the portable safe to any stationary object and features two internal hardened locking tags. The third one is Hornady Lockbox for guns and valuables. The Alpha Elite Lockbox lives up to its name with best-in-class security technology to protect your handguns and other valuables at home, in the car or when traveling. From its 16-gauge steel housing with pry-resistant security band and barrel key lock to its dual crossbar latch mechanism, it has a tamper-proof construction that delivers enhanced security that standard lockboxes can't match. The gun lockbox provides pistol storage and security for concealed carry permit holders. Once attached to a secure structure, place your firearm or valuables inside the home of the Hornady safe. The fourth one is SentrySafe PP1K Portable Gun Safe. Portable gun safe provides secure storage for one standard handgun while traveling. Inferior foam helps protect gun from damage. Built with a carrying handle for easy transportation and a tether cable to attach gun safe to a stationary object for added security. Gun safe is constructed with solid steel and a pry-resistant door for strength California DOJ certified gun safe. Gun safe is equipped with a key lock and comes with two keys. The last but not the least, SnapSafe Lockbox with combination lock. Store and protect your handguns, passports, sensitive documents, heirlooms, media cards, ammo and other valuable items in the SnapSafe portable gun safe with combination lock. Allows the owner to set their own personal 3-digit combination. This SnapSafe lockbox features heavy-duty 16-gauge housing and includes a 1500 lb rated cable for securing to stationary objects at home or in your vehicle. The metal gun case provides handgun storage and security for concealed carry permit holders. Approved as a firearm safety device by the California DOJ and meets TSA airline firearm guidelines. It easily fits in a suitcase or under a car seat. The foam interior protects your valuable contents, makes a perfect camping lockbox or dorm room lockbox.
Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can